Do you like it like this, or do you like them more back? Now it's really about your liking.
What do you mean, like more back?
Is it too high? Is it too low?
Is it okay if can I lower this?
Yeah, you should. Because right now what matters the most is Ted, imagine all this.
Let me pretend.
I can point at you. Ted, all this to just look at this starboard.
So where's the camera gonna go?
Wherever you want. You can literally have space for the camera. Like you can space them out a little bit if you want the camera in between.
Oh, okay.
But you can also have them lower.
But we need so we're gonna need the camera on this side.
You can also have one vertical if you want.
I've never had that before.
2K resolution is pretty nice. I actually do like that.
But so wherever, like the vertical camera would have to go on the side, or the vertical monitor would have to go on the side of the camra.
I would,
because that's where I would end up putting chat, and so it doesn't make any sense if the camera, you know.
Yeah, so this one.
Do we like the verticals though?
One of them, just the left one.
Okay. Yeah, we can try that.
Left one vertical, yes.
Okay.
Chat press 1.
And then it makes sense or it makes space for chat, or the camera. Sorry, I can't talk.
Yep. Very nice.
Okay.
Okay, so this one.
Cool.
So this one goes verticalo.
Did somebody say something bad and that's why you said press 1?
No.
Are you working for NASA, Julia?
So, by the way, a little advice: when you have a thick bottom but a thin top, you rotate it with the thinner side towards the other screen, so this doesn't bother you.
Interesting. Okay.
And
makes sense.
Do we have a level?
I feel like I have one, but it's in a box somewhere.
So we can go like this, for example.
Okay.
Boom.
Okay.
And then the other screen can go like. Dun, 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 dun. Also, let me know if. Let me know. Do you love the way I'm feeling your body?
iPhone has a built leveler. Yeah, it's so funny because the realtor was like, we were talking about what's it called? Measuring stuff, and she was like, oh, the measuring app is actually really accurate.
You gotta sit for a second. I will do the better adjustments in a second.
I'm just kidding. Okay, let me sit.
And then
Oh my God, Arthur, this is so cool. I think this monitor is a little bit too low. If I'm gonna be
too low?
Yeah, if I'm gonna be nitpicky about it.
Okay, but
because you kind of want it like you would want it like kind of eye level.
Do you want a gap here for the camera, or do you want it just like ever so slightly over? But if you said it's too low, think about it's already kind of like going like this then. Because usually in the past you always had like a gap here. You usually would go kind of like. You usually go kind of like this.
Oh my God, holy hell, I need to work on my posture, what the fuck?
And then the camera sneaking through.
Yeah, probably, that would probably make the most sense, yeah.
And then you have like, maybe chat, maybe OBS.
Yeah.
Always chat, always OBS, or Discord and OBS.
Yeah.
Chat, or chat.
Yeah.
No, chat, OBS, you get the point.
Yes. Yeah, I think the gap for the camera probably is the best. Mm-hmm. That way I can adjust it and stuff if need be. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Plug the monitor in. She will visualize it better. Mm-hmm. No, I think, well, yeah, I mean, this one just being slightly higher. Maybe like an inch higher.
I can go higher.
I can go, well, let me adjust the fucking, it's like, where do I want my arms?
Also,
oh my God, this is gonna be sick to play World of Warcraft.
That's right.
World of Warcraft with my friends.
World of Warcraft.
The vertical is a bit too high, not gonna lie.
Yeah, we can put the vertical like low, but the only problem is if you have anything here, not ideal.
What do you mean, like?
This monitor now has power. It's singing to you.
For best posture, arm should be at 90 degrees. This is pretty 90. Or should I go, here, hold on, for 90 degrees. Okay. So it should be like this. That's 90 degrees, I think. You guys just wanted to see my arms. I haven't been to the gym in a long time, so that's so cringy. Ashley's here. Hi. Yeah, Julia, we need you to do your Mythic 10s. Ooh. Ashley, will you help us get back into it?
Ashley, we blow.
I feel like it's one of those things where like we missed like a few weeks because of moving and stuff. And now I feel like we're all far behind on our friend, and Ashley's like, Ashley has, what's it called? Oh, she said, of course, of course.
Of course.
Ashley, can we do dinner soon? Can we cook dinner together? Or we could go out to dinner. Jim fell off so hard, I know. Oh. Imagine it leaked my IP address.
Is this the right country or region? It says the United States.
Oh, damn, I don't have a mouse. I guess I gotta go get one.
You can get it. You can get it while I do the cable stuff, because the cable stuff is whatever.
Chat, do you want to come with me?
You probably should.
Say anything? Doxing. Chat, let's go upstairs.
Me. Oh, can you also bring one more HDMI or display port cable? For
HDMI cable.
Well, kind of like for yourself.
Wow, Chewy, you're being very brave today. Mm-hmm. My credit is good. Easy. I'm working on it. Takes years to build good credit, and it takes 3 months to destroy it.
Takes minutes.
It takes minutes. Takes one bad decision to destroy it. Cat alert.
There you go.
Thank you.
And I did like this, so it's like...
All right, chat, I'm gonna put in my password now.
There we go.
No 6-7 jokes. The world is healing. I just never had the opportunity to make one.
Meow meow.
Oh my god, there's so much space.
Yeah, that's the whole point. So
okay, question.
Look at this one. Hi.
Do you think, I know this is annoying, do you think this should be shifted over entirely and have this space more open, or do you think we should utilize the entire desk? You know what I mean? So like what I'm saying, chat, is by shifting these two monitors over a little bit, so we'll have like a little bit of a lip of the desk.
You can even have like a giga lip if you go double vertical, which you can, because I gotta say, think of one window except like the main feed that you're watching where you need like the entire screen. This is 2K resolution each. It's not 1080p where it's like cramped. I used to go double vertical and the main is like this.
So you would do vertical right here.
You
would do vertical.
No, vertical, main, vertical. It's like a tower. You can even do that. Because that way you have like 4 windows and the main thing.
That actually is kind of nice. Because what sucks when you're streaming is when something is so far over here, it's so far out of your eyesight. Mm-hmm. I honestly might like that.
Well, let's try it out.
Okay.
All right, Pepper. Because
chat, sometimes when you have to turn your head all the way over, just whatever's on this monitor, you're not ever really looking at. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. We'll figure it out. I'll probably get another cable.
Move the entire thing, huh?
May.
Oh, no.
Yeah, may. I mean, I can, but...
Oh, I see, because the monitor arm just moves it over.
Yes.
Very cool stuff.
For example.
And then this is a little open for the camera, by the way. So that's why that's not like all the way there.
Yeah.
I like that.
And now you actually have like space. Like
yeah.
There can really be a cat bed or something, and you're cooking.
That's so true.
Yeah.
Wow, Arthur, this is amazing.
And if you want, the monitor can go more back, but maybe it's like too far for you. Are your eyes good enough? Is this too far away for you?
I don't think so.
No?
It could come forward a little bit more though?
Anytime. It can come all the way into your face. Look.
I don't know about all that. Ooh, I do kind of like it a little bit more. Okay, that's a little too much.
Yeah, I just didn't go all the way forward because of your pets.
Yeah, I do like it a little bit more forward. That's too much though.
That's too much?
Yeah. That looks good though.
And then you go...
Arthur, why one arm per monitor, no dual arm or anything? I don't think...
I used to, but most of the times, I'm not joking, it's a compromise. Going solo, especially if you have the space, is so much more convenient because you really have all the freedom. While with a duo, it's like, you're kind of like restricted on what you can do.
Am I able to like turn that a little bit?
What do you mean?
Like,
oh, yeah.
Angle it a little bit more
Yeah.
in? Wow! Yeah, this is all just kind of like inching it a little bit back and forward.
Yeah, but once you have what you want, I screw it all tight and it is like tight. It doesn't move.
This is so amazing. I could have never done this. I will definitely get a leveler and level this out because it's a little knot, but as of right now, it's totally fine.